Yes Bank ARC setup has reached final stage and an announcement is likely to be made soon. Sources say that a Swiss auction is likely to be conducted very soon for that. Now, why a Swiss auction is conducted? A Swiss auction method is adopted by a transparent bidding process because even after declaring a H1 bidder, any rival bidder has the option of throwing a new bid so that open and transparent as well as competitive bidding process is conducted. In the case of Yes Bank, sources say that JC Flowers has been chosen as the highest bidder. Now, we also learned that Cerberus Capital, apart from other bidders, are likely to participate in the Swiss auction. Now, what happens if JC Flowers sees that other participants are participating in the Swiss challenge? Now, being the highest bidder, JC Flowers has the option of matching that bid. So that right is there because they are already declared as H1 bidder. Now, what is in store for other bidders? If Cerberus Capital participates in the bid, of course, they have to wait for the highest bidder to match it or not. Otherwise, that option is already reserved for the highest bidder. If H1 bidder does not match the offer, it will go for the bidder who goes for the Swiss challenge. In the current case, JC Flowers has the right of the matching or not matching the offer. Apart from that, if there is a situation in the Swiss challenge where no one participates, it automatically goes to H1 bidder. So the chances are, if at all there is a competitive bidding process in the Swiss challenge, JC Flowers has the right to participate in that. However, it will depend on JC Flowers whether or not it wants to increase the current bid, which is said to be around 12,000 crore for Yes Bank. Remember, Yes Bank had got in principle approval from Reserve Bank of India for setting up an ARC at arm's length. Now, what does this arm's length mean? It means that they cannot have majority stake in the setup. That is why, as per the current agreement conditions, we have been told that more than 80% is likely to be kept by the preferred bidder, which is likely to be JC Flowers in the current case, and 20% is likely to be retained by the private lender for ARC setup. Remember, Yes Bank wants to complete this ARC setup first so that all the NPAs are transferred in ARC first and they can go for their fundraising exercise, which they want to complete in the current financial year. As far as the amount of fundraising is concerned, it is around rupees 7,500 crore for the current quarter, and we have been also told that Carlyle is leading race for picking up a stake in Yes